Valentine's Day is next week, and if you're not a baker but want to make something simple but super special for your loved ones, I'm sharing 3 eggless mug cake recipes that anybody can make with the most basic ingredients and equipments. All 3 mug cake recipes are very quick and turn out extremely soft and super fluffy. So let's get started. So the first mug cake recipe that I'm sharing is a chocolate atta mug cake that we'll make without eggs, without refined sugar and without maida. The first thing you need is a microwave safe mug. Into this add 2 tablespoons of jaggery along with 2 tablespoons of oil, 1/4 cup of milk, and we'll mix all of this together. In goes 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour along with cocoa powder, baking soda and baking powder. Mix it all together and your batter is ready. Now this goes into the microwave for just 90 seconds, and all you need to do is to press the quick start button and set the timer to 1.5 minutes. You don't need to switch to the convection mode or preheat your microwave or set a temperature. This is the simple basic mode that you use to reheat your food. So my atta chocolate mug cake is ready and it's extremely soft and super fluffy. I'm going to finish this with a nutty chocolate glaze, which is also simple to make, and the recipe for which is in the caption below. Next up, let's make an eggless red velvet mug cake, which I think is perfect for Valentine's Day. So in your mug, add 1/4 cup of milk along with half a teaspoon of vinegar. Instead of vinegar, you could also add in some lemon juice, and once you mix it together, you'll see that the milk will start curdling a little bit. Into this, add a few drops of red gel food color along with 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of oil. Once it's all nicely combined, add in 5 tablespoons of maida along with some cocoa powder and baking soda. Mix it all together and your mug cake is ready for the microwave. Again, we'll just microwave this on regular heating mode for 90 seconds and your mug cake will be ready. Now you could eat the red velvet cake as it is, but I like to decorate it with a dollop of whipped cream or cream cheese frosting and finish it with some Valentine's Day sprinkles. And now let's make a vanilla mug cake with some crushed Oreos. So in your mug, add 2 tablespoons of sugar along with some oil, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/4 cup of milk. Mix it all together and then add in 5 tablespoons of maida along with baking powder, baking soda and 3 crushed Oreo biscuits. Now give this a good mix and your batter is ready. By the way, you can also make this without the Oreos and it tastes equally good. Let's microwave this again for 1.5 minutes until the cake rises and is super soft and fluffy. My mug cake is ready. I'm going to decorate it with a dollop of whipped cream and some more crushed Oreo biscuits on top. Trust me, these 3 mug cake recipes are the only mug cake recipes that you need in life, and they're completely foolproof and turn out perfectly soft and fluffy every single time. So I hope you guys will try these recipes in your kitchen, and when you do, don't forget to share pictures on Instagram and tag me at Shivesh17. If you'd like more of these simple and easy recipes on my channel, make sure you let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next week with another episode of Bake with Shivesh.